Today I'm going to show you my Gestalt Principles presentation. Presentation by Elijah John Eubank. Now let's. What does Gestalt just say? Gestalt is a psychology of the term which explains that people tend to organize visual elements into groups when certain principles are applied. Number one, continuation. Continuation occurs when the viewer's eye naturally follows a line and continues to another object. You know, where it goes like this, or this, or this, or this. Number two, closure. Closure occurs when incomplete figures are perceived as complete or whole. A shape just has to be indicated and the viewer's eye fills in the missing information. Where be FedEx with this pointing arrow, IBM with lots of lines, one's filled in, the other's blank, but that's a complete logo. There's NPC with the NPC peacock, like NBC, NBC. Number three, similarity. Similarity occurs when objects share visual characteristics. The viewer will perceive them as a group or a pattern. The grouping can be with color, shape, texture, or any other type of design element. Take a look at ideas, MOCA, or as it's called, square, circle, CA, triangle. There's some, like all those S's. Use that making an S. Make a thing. So yeah. Number four, proximity. Proximity occurs when elements are placed close to each other, which means they are perceived to belong to the same group. It creates a relationship. The opposite is true when you break an element away from the group. You have the YMCA logo or the YMCA logo. Bank of America. And then you have lots of those that make a U. So yeah. Number five, symmetry. Symmetry. Symmetry are elements that are symmetrical to tend to be perceived as a unified group. When even opposite, it still connects. You have the Starbucks logo, Red Bull logo, and the McDonald's logo. Yeah, now that's symmetrical. Perfect for can knife for those things. And what about asymmetrical? Why is asymmetry? Better look it up because I don't do any research like this presentation. And there's number six, figure and ground. Figure and ground The eye differentiates an object from its surrounding area. This ability allows the viewer to see two or more different objects. When looking at an image, a viewer can have different experiences simultaneously. A form or shape is perceived as a figure, while the surrounding area is perceived as ground. We got the Spun Golf Club, check. Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium. There's the poster for that one Warner Bros. Movie from summer 2001, Artificial Intelligence. So yeah, that's the end of my presentation. Thanks for